Hello traders, yet another video on BM trades, and today we are gonna look at USDJPY. I'm gonna show you my daily analysis on how I got about this currency pair. And guys, as you can see that yesterday we had this kind of price action on Thursday. Look at trade on my funded account, and I'm waiting to show you how I did my analysis. Okay, yesterday we had some kind of a tap in this block. I told you guys that we were waiting for price to decline to this discount zone over here. We had that tap at the order block, but price came down with some selling pressure to this order block over here, which was well aligned with this fair value gap over here. And then we got trapped in that selling buying pressure started to spike into the markets, and we swept liquidity from this low over here. We broke market structure over here, and I took my trade from this fair value gap over here. I took my entry from this zone over here. I took my entry from this zone over here at this fair value gap right after market structure was broken after here. I took my trades from this zone. I could have had another entry from this zone over here, but I didn't go with that. I took my trade right at London opening. Market was kind of in a consolidation with consolidations over here in the 5-minute time frame, and also it was reflecting in the 15-minute time frame with some kinds of consolidations over here, and I was not comfortable with this, so I decided to take out partial. So I took my trades right about here, and I secured a 2.8 risk to reward ratio. I took my trade out in profits through this week over here, and you see that during the rest of the London session we had these consolidations over here. We came back to this fair value gap at a 5-minute time frame. We tapped into it, then buying pressure spiked up, targeting to take out this high, which it failed. We then had some downtrend coming up during the New York session, and it was also the same pressure that was in the Sydney session that pulled down to this high frame order block that I had marked over here. We broke structure down here, and the market shifted structure from this high right above here. We broke market structure here, and now I was confirming to look for longs. I was confirming to look for longs on this zone, but unfortunately I missed the trades. Because at the time price was coming down, I had not put orders, and I had not even put alarm, so that was my mistake. But I could have gotten an entry from this level over here. Gotten my entry from this level. You see the first retest over here tells me that this fair value gap is gonna be revisited again. So I was targeting this level, and unfortunately for the people who were targeting this high, the market kind of did the opposite. There was a lot of, I think, profit taking activity that caused these weeks over here. At this price level, you can see that they are weeks. I think they are caused by massive profit taking that occurs most especially at these zones where most probably a lot of people are gonna place their take profits. The anxious traders are gonna come out quite early, so that's why you see some kinds of weak that short certain locations. It may be selling pressure, but most of the time, if it is at highs or at new highs, it will most definitely is a profit taking activity happening. So guys, you can see at the rest of the New York and London session, we have had these consolidations over here, and not given a white risk trading opportunities. This week we have had a quite slow week. With this currency pairs. We have had a lot of consolidations and uncertainty, but I hope that next week we are going to have stronger moves. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna post more content like this for you guys. Hope you enjoy, and hope you have gotten something from this video. I'll be soon dropping my content to teach you guys about my strategy and the tools that I used in my trading. I wish you guys all the best, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the video. See you later.